Let's be honest. Real estate sounds sexy until you sit down and realize you have no idea where to start. You've seen the videos. Some guys walking through a half-gutted kitchen saying, right here, this is where the profit is. Cool, man. But how do you actually do that? If you've ever thought about starting a real estate business, whether it's to ditch the 9-to-5, build some passive income, or just try something new, this video's for you. No fluff, no corporate mumbo-jumbo, just a real breakdown of how to start in 2025, even if you've never bought a house before. So first, what is a real estate business? It's any way you make money using property. Rentals, flipping houses, wholesaling deals, short-term vacation rentals, even getting licensed and becoming an agent. And nope, you don't need to be rich to start. You just need to learn the game, build a plan, and stay consistent. Why are so many people jumping in right now? It's simple. Cash flow from rent, appreciation over time, tax benefits, protection against inflation, equity you can tap into later. Real estate can pay you now and help you build long-term wealth. That's why people love it. Next, pick your path. Not all real estate strategies are the same. Choose what fits you. Fix and flip. Buy low, renovate, sell high. Buy and hold own rentals, collect rent, play the long game. Wholesaling, no need to buy, just find deals and connect buyers. Become an agent. Help others buy and sell, earn commission. Development, big vision, big risk, big reward. Okay, I'm in. So, how do I start? Let's break it down. Pick your niche. What excites you most? Make a simple business plan, no MBA required. Just know your goals, budget, and ideal client. Choose your legal structure. LLCs are popular for a reason. Figure out your funding. You've got options. Savings, hard money, HELOCs, private lenders. Build your brand, simple website, clear message, show folks you're in the game. Start networking. Deals live in conversations, not just Zillow. Learn to analyze deals. The math matters. Take action, walk properties, make offers, start small. Set up systems, stay organized, track leads, build repeatable steps. Think long-term, don't chase one deal. Build a business. But what could go wrong? Let's be real. Underestimating repairs, skipping inspections, getting attached to a bad deal, avoiding professional advice. Mistakes? Yeah, they'll happen, but that's how you learn. Final thoughts. Should you start in 2025? That's up to you. But if you're still watching, something tells me, yeah, you're ready. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything. You just need to get started. So, are you ready to build your real estate empire too? Let's go. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.